Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Luna Classic Update today. And Bitcoin is slowly now getting a little bit back. We're sitting at $58,000. Eventually, Bitcoin is looking to go to $63,000. So if I show you a quick Bitcoin, comment right here, you have your double bottom right there. You're breaking above, and your double bottom actually takes you up to $63,000. So along the way, Luna Classic also has this little bit of a pattern you can see, and you're breaking above the pattern itself. So the next technical target you may expect here for Luna Classic is actually up to 8714. This is your next pending target eventually. Now, once you do make it up here to this technical target, we will see what is coming up next. So that's all for the video. Just a quick one. Hopefully we don't get to go down to 641. And that's all. I'm going to see you the next one. Love you.